Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can add account fields on the contact layout. So for that, let's get started. I have already logged into my Salesforce org and this is my setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to contact layout. For that, I am just searching for contact and it will land on the contacts detail page. Sorry, the contact page where you can see all the contacts which are recently viewed and all the contacts from the list view. So this is the list view of contacts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open one contact, which is Andy Young. Once we land on the contact page, and we need to make sure that the contact is linked with an account. It is linked with an account which is Dickinson PLC, and in the details like sub tab, you can see the all the fields which are visible to you are the contact fields. So what we are going to do is we are going to introduce the fields from this record as well, which is the account record. Suppose we want to introduce the suppose status field or any other field. Let's just check the field, which field we want to show it on the contact page. Rating field we want to show, or maybe phone, fax, any field which we want to show on the contact detail page, we can do that. So for that, first we need to go to the edit page, and first we need to go to the setup, and from setup we need to go to edit page. Once we click on edit page, it will open the contact record page, and which is like it's a lightning app builder. Components are loading, and in the detail page, first you need to check if your uh, layout is dynamic or not. So in our case, it's not dynamic. It's the values are coming from the page layout. So first step is we need to upgrade it to dynamic forms. So you can read it here. You can configure record detail sections and fields right inside the lightning app builder, upgrade to dynamic forms, and start putting individual fields and sections anywhere on the page. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on upgrade now, and more flexible lightning page customization, and next, this is the layout which we are going to choose, contact layout, and finish. So this is our dynamic forms which we have, and you can see that individually we can check the UI behavior of the fields and field visibility of those fields. So as we know that they in the left hand side we have components and fields. So if we go to fields, we will be seeing all the fields of the contact, and we can drag and drop the fields of the contact. So we can also introduce the fields of the related records. So suppose this is the account, yeah, so this is like we have the lookup field for here, for this, and for individual also we have the lookup field, and for reports too also. So we can click on this account now, and once we click on the account now, it will show us a warning. Select on the insertion point. Okay, we know like this is the insertion point, we call it insertion point. We need to click on this, and once we click on it, we will be able to see all the fields of the account, like account name, account number, account site, active, like anything which you want to see. Basically what we want is we want rating. Okay, we want rating, and we want SLA, and we want phone. So these three fields of the account record we want on our contact record. And as you can see, we have this edit button here for the contact fields, but we don't have the edit feature for the account fields. And in like if you click on this lead source, which is our contact field, in the UI behavior you can see that it is read only or required, and you can set the field visibility. But in case of account fields, see, this is the account field which is rating. So in this case we can only set the field visibility. We cannot like edit the field from the contact layout. So that's all we need to do, and I'm going to just click on save. Activate. Okay, so we'll assign it as org default, and for desktop and phone next, and save. So activation settings changed, and now if we click on save, it should show save quite, yeah, changes saved. And now we can go back to our contact page. In the contact page, go to details and check your fields. So here we have lead source, which is a contact field, but if we click on edit, then these fields are not editable because it's coming from the account object. And yeah, this is the phone number which we have on this account. Same phone number we can see, and I think we added SLA field as well, and I'm not sure if it is on the layout of account or not. Yeah, I think it's not there. Yeah, SLA is bronze, and for this also it's bronze. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel, please.